Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial for beginners on how to use Tome AI to create presentations quickly on your Windows PC. First, open your browser and navigate to the Tome AI website. Log in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Next, click on New Story to start a fresh presentation. You'll see several templates. Choose one that fits your purpose or select blank to begin from scratch. Now, in the editor, enter your main content by typing or pasting text directly. Tome AI works best with clear, concise sentences. Then click on the Generate Slides button. Tome will instantly convert your text into a series of slides, each with suggested images and layout. After the slides appear, review each one carefully. Edit any titles or text to make them clearer and more engaging. You can also rearrange or delete slides to match your flow. Next, customize visuals by replacing images or adjusting the design using the toolbar options. This helps to make your presentation look professional. When you're satisfied, click preview to see how your presentations will appear to viewers. Finally, export your presentation to PDF, PowerPoint, or share a link directly. A quick tip: keep your text simple and break down ideas to help Tome AI generate better slide content. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.